Hello everyone, this Excel tip is such a time saver. We will show you how to fill in the blanks the right way using Excel. Let's look at this example. We got the staff list by department from another system, and we want the department next to the names of each staff. And as you can see, yes, it is possible to copy and paste, but this is not a practical solution and it will take a lot of time, especially if you have hundreds of employees. So Excel has a way to fill in the blanks in bulk with just a few clicks, but first, let me give you some tips. If you imported this information from another system like QuickBooks, Xero, or any legacy system that you already have, it is very important that you copy and paste as values only. This will remove any hidden codes and will save you from future glitches later, especially in this particular feature in Excel. You can select the columns by clicking on the headers, then press Ctrl+C, that is a shortcut to copy. Open a new worksheet by pressing the plus sign below the current one. Select the new worksheet, click anywhere in it, right-click and select Paste Values. I even open a new worksheet altogether as a precaution. I know there are no hidden codes, plus you can use it as a backup. Click anywhere inside the data and press F5. The shortcut to the Go To dialog box, which appears. Click the Special button, leaving the default settings. In the next window, select just blanks. Click OK, and notice what happens here. We have way too many blanks selected, so we will clean up this information very quickly and try again. We will remove any blank rows on the top right by clicking on it and press Delete. Select the column that we want filled and press F5 again when ready. This time when we go to a Special, Blanks, and click OK, we shall only see the blanks that we need highlighted. This time we do not press Enter or move the mouse at all. Only type the equal sign and click the arrow up in your keyboard. You are telling Excel to fill in the blanks with the value or cell above the selections. Press Ctrl-Enter to finish. You can quickly add borders by turning it into a table by pressing Ctrl-T anywhere in the selection. Go to the Design tab on top, select the design of your choice, and you can filter any blank rows to clean up even more the data. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.